Hello, I dey welcome una come this ogbonge news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. Breaking news: sacking TINUBU as he no score 25% for Abuja go bring celebration and also grow our democracy. Na so PDP tell tribunal. PDP come talk say threat dey for the written address by lawyer to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and APC to the Presidential Election Petition Court. Dem say na move to make the judiciary fair. The statement by the lawyer for the written address wey fit bring crisis and anarchy for the country as their client no meet 25% vote for Abuja. If court go rule on 25% for FCT interpretation of constitution, e no go cause anarchy. RUFAI. One journalist, OSENI RUFAI, don talk say the decision of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal causing anarchy for we country, e say e no necessary. He say tribunal decision no go fit be based on wetin people dey talk. According to him, he say na only court na im go fit rule concerning the 25% vote for Federal Capital Territory, and he say e no go cause anarchy. Inec tell me make I declare different result from the one wey I collate. Returning officer tell Zamfara government tribunal. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) returning officer of Maradun local government area of Zamfara state during the governorship election, Dr. Ahmed Kanua, come claim say the commission tell am make him no present the result sheet wey him collate from him ward coalition officer, but make him use the electoral body own as that one na im good pass. US don place ban on Nigerian Supreme Court justices because of their mago-mago judgment. 7 members of Nigerian Supreme Court, including Chief Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, dem all don receive visa ban by the United States government because of their mago-mago judgment, according to US-based Point Blank News. And with that, we don come to the end of the ogbonge Pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise, and until next time, make una dey shine like the star una be. Thank you.